Alright guys, so today's video we're going to be going to, I think, Canyon Lake, or if I'm not mistaken, Saguaro Lake. I think it's Saguaro Lake. I don't know, one of the lakes. And there's really nice mountain passes, and I just kind of want to show you guys just like a POV style of driving. And yeah.
ありがとうございます。シートベルトをお締めください。
So my camera was actually overheating. We went and stopped at this lookout place. Very beautiful, as you can see. I just want to let you guys know, thank you for all the love that you guys have been showing me. I know I say that a lot, but I really do mean it. All right, guys, thank you for making it to the end of the video. I will be doing a 2,000 subscriber giveaway, so definitely stay tuned for that. I will be giving details on that sometime in the next video. If you guys have any questions or anything you guys want to ask, feel free to leave a comment down in the comment section below. Hope you guys enjoyed this little mini, I don't want to say it's a canyon run, but you know, something just to get out and drive. Hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll see you guys in the next video.